This stunning location presents a prime opportunity for building a home with panoramic views of the Lafayette River or undertaking a major renovation of a historic property. Riverview, situated on the west side of Norfolk, boasts a charming neighborhood with tree-lined streets, historic homes, and minimal traffic due to its borders with Granby Street and the Lafayette River. Additionally, Riverview Village offers a variety of dining and shopping options and is conveniently located just minutes from downtown Norfolk and I-64. April 30, 2024.